Happy Labor Day, everyone. It's a nice rainy day in upstate New York, but you know something? We're off today. Enjoy it and make the best of it. Today we're going to be making some delicious, delectable sliders in the new Ninja Foodi Grill. They're 2.5 ounce burgers that fit on these tiny little brioche buns. You guys are gonna love them. I'm also just going to make a quick sauce for it. I want to see how this new Ninja Foodi Grill cooks these sliders. And then in the future, we're gonna have a competition between the Ninja Foodi and the Ninja Foodi Grill. So come on over and let's get started. I did look up to see what this pot was called. It's actually called a ceramic coated cooking pot. Go figure. Okay, so you're gonna make sure your ceramic coated cooking pot is in here. We're also going to put the grill grate in, just like that. And we also have this screen in. And we're just gonna go ahead and close the lid. Your Ninja Foodi Grill is on. We once again are following this handy dandy cheat sheet. There's burgers right there. We're gonna grill them on high. High is 500 degrees. So I'm thinking maybe 4 minutes. It depends on how you want these sliders cooked. Whether you want them like medium rare, well done. So hopefully we're gonna try to shoot for medium. And we're just gonna hit start. Now this is gonna go ahead and preheat for 8 minutes. So while that's preheating, because that's going to take probably like 7 more minutes, I picked this Butcher's Blend up at my local supermarket. I think it's Schweid or Schweid and Sons. It's a mixture of 3 different meats. It's chuck, round, and sirloin. So we're just going to see how this is. As you can see, I did cook one up yesterday. But they're cute. But what I did learn with these, they're a bit too thick. So what I'm going to do, I'm actually going to go ahead and flatten these out just a bit. So I found that they shrunk up. I'm thinking just like that. I'm just going to flatten them out just a little bit. And we're going to cook a total of 4 of them. So I'm making these for lunch today. Well, not for me, just for me, but other people too. Last but not least, here we go, and we're going to save those 3 for another time. Then all we're going to do to these burgers, we're just going to season with salt and pepper. Once again, season high. There we go. We're going to flip these guys over. So if you're going to season, season right. Season both sides. There we go. Yes, this will be contaminated, but I will just wash it like I usually do. Perfect. So we have these burgers perfectly seasoned. Like I said, these are 2.5 ounces a piece. Now, the roll. I opted to put the sliders on these brioche rolls. They're soft. That means the meat will shine through. So these are just brioche dinner rolls that I'm using. I thought they were cool looking. I like brioche rolls. They're nice and soft. I'm just going to cut them in half. We just want to get these ready because these burgers will not take that long to cook. That's all we're going to do with that. So we're just going to take some of this butter. Just going to brush it right on this roll. Just brush away. Oops. Sorry, I don't want to spill this everywhere. These are going to be so good, fantastic, delicious, so simple, but so good. Who doesn't like sliders? Oh, that's beeping at me. Got to get over there, but I just want to finish this task first. So what I do, just to take a little bit of garlic powder, and you're just going to put it right over the bun. This just adds a little bit more flavor. Instead of putting the garlic on the burger, you put the garlic on the bun. All right, let's go over and pop these burgers in. All right, let's listen for that sizzle. Oh yeah. Beautiful. Close that lid. The time default's to 10 minutes, but I'm just gonna turn it down to like 6 because I don't want this to stop because I'm gonna be standing here watching these burgers. So I'm gonna flip them in like 1.5 to 2 minutes. And right now we're just gonna make a quick sauce for these burgers. We're just gonna take a little bit of mayo, I don't know, maybe that's like a quarter cup of mayo. Probably like a tablespoon of ketchup. And a tablespoon of Dijon mustard. You can use regular yellow if you want. You're just going to take a whisk and you're just going to whisk this all together. Now you can add relish to this if you want to, but I'm not doing that today. We're just going for this straight flavor here. Let me just take a taste of this. Good. Real good. It's been like a minute and a half, 2 minutes. We're going to check on these burgers. They're cooking up nicely. See how they shrunk so much? I probably should have flattened them out just a bit more. But that's fine. And it seems like the only time this Ninja Foodi Grill smokes is when you're opening the cover and you're turning food. So when the grease hits the bottom. See if I can get in here without burning myself. Once again, be careful, this is hot. Go ahead and shut the lid. So we're coming up onto the 4-minute mark. They look really nice, but I am going to do a quick temp on these just to see where we're at. 101, 98, 96, we're going down. Alright, you know something? I'm thinking probably 1 minute more, and we'll take them off and let them sit. Okay. Those burgers are done, I'm assuming, because there's going to be some carryover of heat. Just going to take them out, put them on a plate. They shrunk a bit more than what I wanted them to, but they'll be fine. They're just going to be massive sliders, not flat sliders. Now what we're going to do, we're just going to put the rolls in just like that. Just pop those in. We'll grab some tongs to take these guys out. This is awesome. All these will fit. And it's going to lower the lid, and we're just going to grill them. Instead of having to press some other buttons, we're just going to grill these rolls. I did it yesterday. You'll see they come out great. Now let's check on these rolls. They've been in here about a minute, and look at that. Beautiful. Use tongs. They are a bit warm. I'm just going to try to line them up the way we're going to be making these. Just like that. That's a bottom. Grab a top. Oh, you know something I didn't show you? Look at the grill marks. Fantastic. It's kind of nice. I got grill marks on the buns. And they probably could have cooked a bit longer. Just cook them to your desired doneness, brownness, whatever you want to call this. We're going to shut the Ninja Foodi Grill off. Okay, so we have the rolls lined up nicely. I forgot a knife. Or, you know what works better, I find, is a spoon. Spoon does beautifully on here. And all I'm going to do, we're just going to take some of this lovely sauce, and we're just going to put some of it right on the bottom. You don't have to use this sauce. You can use regular mustard, ketchup, all separate. But this sauce, it actually tastes pretty good. It's similar to that sauce that they put on Big Macs. Okay, I'm going to do 2 with sauce and 2 without, because I'm not sure how Chief Taste Tester is going to like the sauce. Usually she's a sauce person, but we'll just play it by ear. This is just a simple burgers. I just want to see how these come out. We're just going to take those sliders, put them right on there. That one I didn't cut too straight. There we go. Look at those beautiful sliders. Look at these beautiful sliders. Bringing them downstairs to Chief Taste Tester for lunch. We're also going to be making some potato wedges in a few minutes. But I just wanted to show you the sliders, how beautiful they are. Let's try to do that taste test without, what did I do with my napkin? Here it is, hold on. Got it. We're gonna take one with the sauce, I guess. We're gonna take this one right here. All right, let's go. Yeah, let's go. Oh man. It just squirted on the floor. Yeah. This floor takes a beating. Sorry, I don't think it's on me. But look, this is cooked perfectly for me. Nice and pink. So that took about 4 minutes. Excuse me, between 4 and 5 minutes, I'm not gonna lie. So if you want it less pink, you're gonna have to increase the time probably like to 5 to 7 minutes because they are like a thicker, much thicker slider. The Ninja Foodi Grill cooked it perfectly. It's quick. And you know something? That preheat actually comes in handy. It gives you enough time to make a sauce, to get the buns ready. It really, really does a good job. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it. Please like and subscribe, and stay tuned for more Ninja Foodi and Ninja Foodi Grill recipes. Thank you guys, I appreciate it. Bye-bye.